Because the taping machine a little bit heavy, so we need to use a forklift to help us to move in the right places.小心那个很重的。哎，看那里面。待会你插车出不去，你插车出不去。低一点，翘起来一点。走。很重哦。很重啊！哎。好，推出来就拿出来了，推出来就拿出来了，给你起吧，给你起吧。下面风门，我看这个地方是好重啊，推不动。多了。In the installation for the cantilever twisting machine, we should be very carefully use the walk lift to walk to support the machine put in the right places, and each of the spare parts should be on the right places, and very carefully. use a meter count to count the distance of the distance. Should be on one line. We must be leave a space for the workers go through. When the machine some spare parts need change or repair, so we must have the person can go through this channel. That's what we do. We need some steel parts put under the machine to make it more stable. Now we remove the tie and then finish the install. Put on here. And here, this is a taping machine. Put on the right places. The distance must be ensured. And also the wire collecting. And the main electronic control boxes. And also the payoff. Should be all of this should be one line.